Hello, today we are going to look at Fluteplayer. It's a software product that converts informal handwritten words on paper to digital text. And it does that as part of a batch process. This product was created as part of an extreme AI initiative. So when you ask the question, how can I convert handwriting to text? You are likely to come up with some very typical answers. First, scribble on an iPad or any other Android device. Use a pen with a Bluetooth so that you can automatically transfer the data to any format, any storage that you want. Take a picture, zoom in, edit every word individually, or just use one of the free apps from Google Play or the Apple Store. These answers leave you frustrated because that's not what you're looking for. A key element in your requirement that's often overlooked is that you want to convert handwriting, not formal fonts, into digital text. Translating formal fonts is easy, but here we want to transfer informal handwriting. So when you express your frustration, you're told, why don't you define your business problem clearly, please? Okay, so let's look at the business problems in the context of translating handwriting into digital text. There are two business problems. The first one, you are a legal firm or a manufacturing firm or whatever your business is, but you have been there for a while. This has resulted in you having stacks of paper with very precious information documented on them, but written by hand. And you would want to take advantage of them, and you would also want to store them digitally. You don't want them to be just a picture. You want them to be in a Word format so that you can cut and paste and use if required. So that is your first problem. Convert them to MS Word and store them digitally. The second problem is that you have forms. It could be survey forms. It could be forms from the doctor's office where the patients fill in. These are forms that have print interspersed with handwritten information. So what you want is that the handwritten information should be extracted and the output should be in the form of a table that you have pre-specified. So you want to define in what format you want it, and you want the information in there so that it's ready for use. So this is your second problem. All handwritten information extracted in a specified format. You see the eye roll there? It's simple. That is why we made the Fluteplayer. It can tackle both the problems. The solution to problem 1, scan all the paper documents, pass them through the Fluteplayer. That's it. Bingo. You have your output in MS Word format. And this can be done as a batch process, not one paper by one paper. The solution to problem 2, again scan the paper forms, pass them through Fluteplayer. Now you have to specify what kind of table you're looking for in the output, and that is where a slight customization is required. Now mind you, it's very slight, it's not anything complex, but we have to customize how the table looks based on the specifications that you provide. So we are able to do this, and we do it with a very high level of accuracy. We are stringent in our testing and repeat the testing very often, and we show an accuracy of at least 92%. That is at least. In most tests, we go to at least 96% accuracy. Now you can see Wonder Woman is surprised too. She thinks that she cannot do it. How do we do it? Now, how do we do it? We started off this initiative because we were working for a leading sports and wellness firm in India. And then this thing grew, and the research grew, and it went on. And the algorithms kept getting complex with many layers on them. And I believe that we reached very high levels of intelligent character recognition, or what we call ICR. We are very confident of our product, and we want to demonstrate our competence to you. I would like to know if after watching this presentation, you will be interested in watching a demo where we are able to demonstrate how this product works. Are you interested in a demo? Please contact our company. You can email us at demo@fluteplayercompany.com, or please feel free to call us at either of the numbers below. I thank you for the time that you have spared in going through this presentation. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. Thank you very much.